So I've been following these cars for a while, the new, it looks gorgeous. This red one, I have been liking pictures on this on Instagram for I think over a year now. It's a really, really cute car. Now I found Olivier here who's going to tell me a little bit about what these are, how they work, and will we be able to get these soon?
So our car, the Nobe,
which
stands for it's fine, which stands for agile and nimble in Estonian, Nobe. These cars are going to take over the world because we are basically designing the car around style, sustainability. Because when you buy a Nobe, you buy it for life. You don't want to, buy this car, drive it for 5 years, and then take it to the dump and buy the next one. No, this is different. This is like, this is for your life. So we will supply upgrades. We will supply mechanical upgrades, software upgrades, anything that comes out, you will be able to get.
So this is an ongoing thing. Once you buy the car, so unlike
it's
modern
relationship.
So unlike manufacturers that basically revise and put out a new model every year, you'll just do the revisions on the existing car.
That's right. That's right.
So tell me about the car itself. Tell me about the construction, the layout. What is it? How does it work?
So it's a three-wheel, all-wheel drive car. At this stage, we are investigating the dynamics of the car. We're still very much in the design process, in the engineering process. The black car is a pre-production car, so we are looking at the manufacturing techniques and all the dynamics of the chassis and everything else. This is going to be a very fast car. We're looking at 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds. Yeah, so electric, you get all the torque. So
and it's all-wheel drive, you said?
It's all-wheel drive.
What's the platform?
Platform is a carbon chassis, a front axle for the black car, and a rear axle with a reducer. The GT car is planned to have just a front axle. We also have air suspension. We want to test various configurations with the air suspension. So in terms of stiffness, damper length, etc. And we want to go for a simpler design, of course, for the GT. We have to stabilize the supply chain and increase production rates.
And the cars themselves, what drives them? Is it a battery pack or is it a motor? How does it work?
So you have a battery pack under the car, 26 kilowatt hour battery pack.
And what's the power output? Do you have a figure for that?
140 kilowatts.
And then what's the performance figures?
So as I said, 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds, and a top speed of around 80 miles per hour or 130 kilometers per hour cruise.
Which is pretty exciting on 3 wheels, I bet, And what's the production plan? So you obviously said this is the pre-production car.
Yeah.
So what's the rollout?
So we are producing 4 cars like this one. So this is the first car. Cars number 2 and 3 are, I would say the car number 2 has the body manufactured and the tub. Car number 3 has the tub manufactured, so it's progressing. We have components for all 4 cars ordered and with us. The next step is to make 20 cars, 20 GT cars. That's the next step.
And do you have orders at the moment?
Yeah, we have over 80 cars on order.
What sort of price are we looking at?
So the GT we're looking at $39K dollars, and the GTS $47K dollars.
And which markets are you targeting?
So anyone who likes fun cars, who wants to have a fun commuter, this is it. So Europe, UK, so obviously right-hand drive for the UK, US and the rest of the world. But we have to go through homologation first. That's going to take a good year, I would say. UK and Europe, and then modifications and the world.
One last question. There's a real retro feel to the car. I mean, I noticed the little bonnet mascot on this car, which is a girl with a ponytail. What inspires the car? What's the design cues that you've taken on this?
So our CEO Roman, his wife is an artist, and she has kindly supplied the figurehead for the car. Foxy Lady, she's known as.
So what's the inspiration for the design? Who's designed the cars?
So Melis Lemets is our stylist, and he has worked for Renault in the past. He's very passionate about cars in general, retro cars, aeroplanes, boats. He has he has a lot of talent, and he came with a picture of the car very, very quickly, and it was the right design straight away.
I tell you what, I've been following these cars for a year now. They look fantastic. They're so cute, so adorable. I even like them now that I've seen them for real. I can't wait to see where this journey takes you next. Congratulations, best of luck with this car.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
A big shout out and thanks to Jay Williams over at AirTechnic, who are top tier sponsors of Brown Car Guy. Check them out at AirTechnic Co UK for exhausts, brakes, suspension and body kits. Plus our other major sponsor, Nayagen Solutions. Much appreciation also to Tier 4 sponsors, Muhammad Ali Humaid, Tom Conway Gordon and Reza Adil. And of course all these other guys who supporting on Patreon. Brown Car Guy is eternally grateful. Hey, think about joining them over at patreon.com Brown Car Guy. If you can't, don't worry. Just make sure you're subscribing to the YouTube channel and website. Plus follow on social media by searching for Brown Car Guy.